The travel graph shows the motion of two trucks P and Q from cities Y and X, respectively. After how many kilometers did truck P stop to rest? A. 300 kilometers. B. 200 kilometers. C. 150 kilometers. D. 100 kilometers. E. 50 kilometers. Solution. The travel graph shows that, at point A, truck P stopped to rest after 100 kilometers. Therefore the correct answer is D. From the travel graph shown, find the average speed of truck Q. A. 120 km per hour. B. 100 km per hour. C. 60 km per hour. D. 50 km per hour. E. 40 km per hour. Solution. The travel graph shows that from city X, truck Q took off at exactly 9 a.m. and arrived at its destination at exactly 3 p.m. which means truck Q traveled for 6 hours and covered a distance of 300 kilometers. Therefore, average speed equals distance divided by time, which equals 300 kilometers divided by 6 hours, equals 50 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. In the diagram above, PQR is a triangle. What is the value of x degree? A. 240 degrees. B. 180 degrees. C. 120 degrees. D. 60 degrees. E. 20 degrees. Solution. Know that the sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. Therefore, 70 degrees plus 50 degrees plus x degree equals 180 degrees. 70 plus 50 is equal to 120 degrees plus x degree, which equals 180 degrees. Then let's subtract 120 degrees from both sides, which gives x degrees equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees equals 60 degrees. The correct answer is D.